Hey, what is going on? I am Jake. Welcome back to KALE Robot. This is, of course, where I cook vegetable-heavy, allergy-friendly food that tastes awesome and makes me feel good. Today, we have a fast and simple quick hitter. Hoja Santa roasted asparagus. Now, the first video I've made on this channel here was something similar. It was a taco with shaved asparagus, Hoja Santa powder, and a sunny up egg. You should be able to find a video link somewhere up here in the corner for that one. I wanted to dive further into this pairing of Hoja Santa and asparagus and just talk a little bit more about this super fragrant leaf. Now, the first time I picked up fresh Hoja Santa at the store, it had this crazy nose of root beer. So I dug my face into this thing a little bit and I started picking up notes of black peppercorn, of anise, of tarragon. This is a complex herb, but it's versatile too. No wonder it's one of the crown jewels of Oaxacan cooking. Learning simple flavor affinities has always been a bedrock for me in understanding how to cook. That idea helped me here, because Hoja Santa is so reminiscent of tarragon, which is a classic pairing with asparagus. Now, people have been wrapping food in leaves since, I don't know, the advent of fire. So I decided to apply that here and wrap the asparagus in Hoja Santa, then wrap it in foil and roast it in a 425 oven for 15-20 minutes. I dressed the asparagus with coconut fat and salt before bundling the whole thing up and roasting it in the oven. When it's time to pull it out, the asparagus has now been infused very deeply with Hoja Santa. And that affinity we've been talking about between asparagus and tarragon, that's really played up here now. It's kind of funny, like when you taste one of these spears, it's like the Hoja Santa has always meant to have been there. The coconut fat is carrying the flavor. A squeeze of fresh lime juice brightens the whole thing up. And technically, because this has been wrapped in foil, the asparagus steams while it cooks here. So I like to finish it with just some smoky Maldon Salt to give a little hint of oven cooking. This finishes up as bright, balanced, and to me, it's a unique expression of spring. The asparagus is still a verdant green. The spears are softened a bit, but they're still crisp on the tooth. It pairs well with just about anything, whether that's eggs, mushrooms, or steak. You can also do what I did and eat the whole thing in one sitting because you're feeling snacky. But you do you. If you got access to fresh Hoja Santa, give this a shot. I think you'll like it. It's fast, it's easy, and it's super tasty. Well, that is it for me this week. If you enjoyed this video, you found it interesting, please drop me a like down below. And if you want to see more recipe videos like this, down here somewhere is a subscribe button. If you have questions, concerns, thoughts, comments, drop me a line. I'd love to hear from you, and your feedback actually is really instrumental in helping this channel grow. Thank you for coming. Thank you for spending some time with me here on the channel. I'm gonna get out of here. I'll see you next time. Bye now.